Greetings, William Caleb Rogers, the EasyMoneySite.biz publisher, back at you again with another video. And today we're going to discuss sales funnels for E1uLife. And just as a recap, for those who may not know, E1uLife was formerly known as E1uP, a very popular online business opportunity, which is actually an e-learning platform that teaches you entrepreneurship the easy way. It has a unique compensation plan if you choose to refer other students to this particular e-learning platform. And as you can see on the main screen, free brand new training, learn how to bank huge commissions from an online school that wants to pay you to be a student. It's exactly what E1uLife is. It's an online school that's gonna pay you for any future students you refer, depending on what class, course, curriculum that they come in at. You will receive an instant commission for that. Now, it's awesome. I have many other videos that you can see on my channel, Affiliate Marketing with William, that shows you the back office of E1uLife, goes in depth into the products. I really went in details and showed people the back office, so you can easily go ahead and review some of those videos, or at the end of this video you may see somewhere on one side here of this video there'll be a reference to them. Now, what we're going to discuss today though is the aspect of you choosing to refer E1uLife to others. How do you do that? What are you going to use? Well, we know in affiliate marketing that an effective way of selling products and services is to use something called a sales funnel. And all a sales funnel is, it's just a unique way, well, a strategic way that web pages and marketing content is displayed to a particular prospect. And what I mean by strategic way, I mean when they see one page, one message, then they go to this other page, and then they go to this other page, and each page or message does a specific job at entraining the prospect about your particular offer, and at the same time encouraging them to be a part of your particular offer, to purchase your particular offer. Sales funnels come in all forms. You've been through many sales funnels. Anytime you go online and enter your information into some type of little box to get some more information that you may be looking for, that's a brief little sales funnel. And then you'll see this one page that says this and that, and then it maybe have a link from that page that go at the bottom that goes somewhere else. Or if you close that page, then another page will pop up that'll give you another aspect of information concerning that offer. These are just examples of different types of sales funnels. Even when you go into department stores, you're going into a sales funnel. From the way they display certain advertisements, how they get you hooked into the aisles, all these different things. Even when you're in the checkout line and they purposely have certain things displayed while you're waiting on the cashier to check you out. This is all a part of the sales funnel experience. Same thing apply online. So what we have for E1uLife here is a sales funnel starting with this page. And so a prospect would simply enter their information here. They would enter their name, they would enter the best email, the one that they check most frequently, and they would just click here to continue. And once they click here to continue, they're going to be given a page that tells them they need to go ahead and check their email and confirm and verify that they would indeed like to receive information for you. That's how this one works. That's known as a double opt-in, which ensures that your message reaches their primary inbox, as long as they enter a real legitimate email, of course. And of course, well, that depends on your targeting. You know, if you just target wildly when you're prospecting, well, you could get some people who may enter some fake information in there, and well, you want to make sure you're targeting right, you're advertising correctly, right? So you can get at least legitimate people who are actually interested in this case, making some extra money on the side without interrupting anything they may be currently doing. Okay, so now, after they confirm their email, right? As soon as they check that email message and they hit the button that says I confirm and give you permission, they're going to reach the following page. It'll be a page that looks like this. Let's slide my viewer down just slightly. Learn how to easily one-up your income. Basic video is going to give an overview here, and of course a button where they can enroll and select their product package. Tells you a little bit about E1uLife. As I said at the beginning of this video, it's an e-learning platform that teaches how to operate a profitable online business. Profitable one. And it's all about empowering entrepreneurs how to one-up the income by continuing to learn and developing new strategies. So what we done is put together 6 different streaming video education product courses in this e-learning platform. Those 6 video education product courses is the product. That's the learning environment, the classroom, the school, as you will. And so if you choose to promote, you'll earn instant commissions per product course level. They'll also see another video which explains to them how they get paid and goes a little bit more in depth about the individual specific courses. They can register here, of course, and then there's a brief little area that tells them about me, the referrer, a little bit about me. Shows some proof that I know what I'm doing. I once was on that, well, actually a couple of times. I want to say at least twice. I know I made the leaderboard for E1uP, which is E1uLife. The former name was E1uP. They just changed the name and rebranded themselves, you know, for 2022 and beyond. Just trying to, you know, update things, have a better look, have a refresh look with more training and way more opportunity, way more potential money to be made. I even have some bonuses that I give away, that I offer. 23 affiliate niche websites, which I'll just hand over to whoever joins me. I'm actually giving them this, and there's not anything techy. 23 sites. I don't know anything about building a website. I don't know. You're given the whole site, and all you're gonna do is add a unique affiliate ID, which basically sets in a code that specifically goes to you and you only. So whenever anyone buys something, purchases something off of any one of these 23 sites, you'll get paid a commission, up to 75% commissions. And you can see all the different niches right here. They cover different niches. It's not just one particular area or industry. And these are examples of what the sites will look like that they will get. But it'll be for them with their particular unique affiliate payment information already embedded. Real simple, nothing hard. And they also show people, of course, how to get traffic. Remember what I was saying about targeting the right people to go up into your sales funnel? Well, you're going to need the right traffic resources. And I give that to them. And of course, I advise them to only use this after they've joined, because they're going to need the E1uLife opportunity link to give to these traffic resources, to traffic services. You need your business link to give it to them so they'll know where to send people to. Very simple sales funnel, and highly effective. And of course, all our legal disclaimers here, all of that right here. Now, how does this benefit you? I'll say, you might be thinking, well, that does look kind of nice. The site looks kind of tight, but how's that benefit me? Well, if you join me, William Caleb Rogers, I'll give you this sales funnel. Straight up. I'll give it to you, and where you see on this page where it has all the buttons that says register now, that's going to go to your enrollment page, where you see here the why you should listen to me, about me section, it's going to be your picture and your information in here. That's right. And if you have any type of proof, or you might have been a leader somewhere on some other program, I'll put that here. And if you don't, no worries, no worries. And on the bonus section, I'm going to give you the ability to be able to give away the same bonus and the same traffic resources. You will have the ability to do all of this. I will just set up this page for you, starting first with this page. This is going to be your page. This is going to be the intro page. This is going to be the first page that your prospects would see right here. It would enter the information. It would go into something called an autoresponder that's going to automatically set out a whole bunch of different email marketing messages spanned out over a couple of weeks now. Not all at once, but strategically done. Remember what I was telling you about what a sales funnel is. It also contains marketing messages, and this is part of that. It's going to automatically go out to them. Now I'm going to show you where you get your autoresponder from if you don't already have one, but I know a lot of you all already have an autoresponder, or you can just use the one that comes with E1uLife. In case you didn't know, E1uLife itself does have a built-in autoresponder, and of course you'll learn all that once you join. Now, and the easiest way for you to fully experience the sales funnel is for you to come in and plug in yourself. Go to easymoneysite.biz/more income. You're going to reach this page. Go ahead and put in your name, your real main email address. You're going to click here to continue. Then you're going to check your email. You're going to hit that confirmation button, and then you're going to be going to this page right here. You can watch the video there, the overview. You can watch the next video. And of course, as I said, you're going to want to pick your video education product level. All you do is hit register now. I'll show you what that looks like. And here it is. But only your information will be in this area. So they'll be sure to know that they're joining you. But you're going to get all of that. This is what you have to do to go ahead and join. You select your product package. I definitely recommend no less. Definitely, I mean, you're going to want at least the Vertex package. I mean, at least. You know, it's awesome to be able to get $250 instant payment sales, but you come in at the level that's most comfortable for you. I'm just suggesting to you to come at something that'll really make a difference in your income. Really make a difference. And like I said, it all starts here at easymoneysite.biz/more income. This is the page you'll reach, and I will gladly set this funnel up for you with all the marketing messages. Don't worry, I'm going to hand it all over to you. You can put it in your autoresponder, or I'll tell you where to get an autoresponder if you don't already have one. You just give me permission to go ahead in there and set up the messages for you. I'll do it all for you when you come in with me at the Elevation Elite level or above, and I'll do it for you. No problem. That's what you're getting here in the E1uLife sales funnel. I'm sure I'll be coming out with more sales funnels in the future, but this one is pretty good. I mean, you can't go wrong here. So just go ahead once again to easymoneysite.info/more income. Once again, it's William Caleb Rogers. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.